Hey guys, welcome back to Private Wealth Trading Clients, and this is your mentor, Gift Nkosi. So, what I'll be doing in this episode is I'll be giving a breakdown, a live breakdown of GBUSD, um, an overview, and what I'll be expecting in the markets this week. So, starting off in the monthly time frame, all right, we've got our resistance. Okay, and this will be our support that was broken, and now price is actually falling back into the zone. So it had a failed swing right over here in this area, a failed swing. Okay, it didn't come back to retest to fall back down. It just straight up went back inside the area. So that was a failed swing, and price is falling back into the area. So I'm a bit hesitant on looking for sales at the moment on GBUSD. Yeah, so that is what I see on the sorry. That is what I see on the monthly time frame for GBUSD. And I will make this another monthly level. As you guys can see, we have a bit of imbalance in this area. I have a bit of imbalance in this area. Okay, so I'll turn this area into my order block. So this will be a very important area for GBUSD to come back into, and it is now adding more confirmation that it's going to be buying to the upside. So at the moment, I'll be a bit more hesitant on selling, and that's what my monthly levels have for me. Now over here, if you guys remember what I used to teach in my old videos, is that this is an information right over here. An information. So price can come back and sell all the way to this level, especially because we made this area an order block because of the imbalance that we had. Price can come back and test the area again for more liquidity, and afterwards head up to the upside again. Hits the upside again. Okay. Because we have information over there. So it's fake outs, two fake outs. So that is what can also happen GBUSD. All right. So what I'll do then is I'll now hit to my daily time frame and make this area a resistance. I'll make this area a resistance right over there. That'll be my resistance area. And I can also set this, yes. So this is an area we're most likely focusing on, okay, because we're in a buying trend, okay, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, all right. And now we had price come into this area and respect this order block right over here. We had price respect this order block, okay, and now we can expect price to break this lower high retest. All right, we can expect price to break this lower high, retest, and go back down to the downside. Okay, to respect the order block on the monthly time frame. Okay, so those are scenarios that we can have. Or what price can do is it can decide to instead break out of this resistance Okay, break out of that higher high, retest, and we go to the upside. We go to the upside. So that's what I can see for GBUSD. Okay, that is what I see for GBUSD. And on the weekly, I'm gonna try look for another level as where price can be attracted to, and we have this area over there. Right, so we have this area right over there. This is price is in a downtrend, okay? As you guys can see in this area, lower high, lower low, lower high, all the way to this lower low, lower high, and then so on. So this is our most recent um lower high when it comes to this price, this area of price action over here. This is our most recent lower high. So that's where we can look to be attracted to in that area. And we also have imbalance, just a bit of imbalance in this area, just a bit of imbalance over there, right? Just a bit of imbalance in that area over there. So I can now take out this resistance that I've set over there because it's basically in the same area. Okay, so we can be looking for price to actually head back for the sell because we've got an information, two fake outs, and then we have imbalance as well. Imbalance has been filled in this area, came back for more liquidity, so we can expect price to actually take out um this higher low right over here. So those are scenarios that we have in our higher time frames, or price can just decide to buy, make a breakout, retest, and buy to the upside. Okay, in the markets, anything can happen, so we do keep in. So we do keep in mind of these scenarios over here at the back of our heads, minds, just in case it happens, because anything can happen in the trading markets. Okay, now looking into this area on the daily, price came back into this area right over here, all right, after making the two fake outs, and it's making like some sort of a retest, okay, but I'll need to go to the 4-hour time frame to analyze that properly. Okay, right. So now we're seeing a pattern. Okay, we're seeing a trend line. And going back to the daily, there's not much of an imbalance in this area, okay, except for this area right over here. Right, we have an imbalance in that area again. So price has now somewhat filled this area, and I can go back and sell to the downside again. And as you guys can see, we're having a lot of selling momentum. Okay, price is just trying to push down price to break this higher low and just break out this area make a retest, and sell to the downside. Okay, so what I will be waiting for is for price to actually make a breakout of this trend line, a retest somewhere in this area, and then you can sell all the way to the downside. That's when I'll be comfortable looking for selling positions. Okay, as we have not really made a break of structure in this area as yet because we haven't taken out the lower high. But that's all we're looking forward to because price is trying to push down for more sales. Okay. And over here, price did make a break of structure in this area. It made a small break of structure on the lower time frames. As price had made a higher high over here, it had made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low in this area, then continued consolidating, then price made a break of structure, right over there. Okay, and now price hits a selling trend, and so price can retest back into this area to now fill the imbalance and then continue selling to the downside. All right, so we'll just put it there. Break of structure. Right, and that is all I have on the 4-hour and daily. Now jumping into the hourly time frame, price can make first touch, second touch, okay, and price can perhaps buy all the way to the upside, take out this high high, take out this high high right over here, all right, and perhaps retest in that area and go to the upside. Okay, that's what price can be looking to do as well. All right, it's all about probability when it comes to trading at times. Okay, we do not know exactly what the markets will do at times, even though we can say that this is what we can be expecting, but these are the markets, they can do anything they'd like to do. All right, so we can also keep in mind this of this low high, but I don't really want to crowd my charts a lot. Okay, I don't really like to crowd my charts a lot. I'll just keep in mind of this area of imbalance, all right, but I'll just keep it at the back of my mind that price can come back and perhaps respect this area, because in this area there is a form of imbalance as well. There is a big form of imbalance, all right, but it has really been taken care of on a higher time frame. So I'll just look for price to just reject somewhere in this area, all right, but I'll keep that lower high in mind. Now we go to 30 minutes, as this is what we're importantly looking for. All right, I'll just be looking for price to break out, all right, and do a retest, and then we can sell All right. Or we can have price push to the upside, respect that lower high, retest into that area, and continue to the upside. These are the significant areas that we have, okay, and the hourly time frame. All right. Those are the scenarios that can play out. All right. And what I'm doing is I am mixing smart money concepts with price action. Okay. That's what I'm doing. So if we would like to buy US 30, we can do that. If you'd like, probably set stop loss just a few areas below over here and see what price can do. If we would like to do that, put a buying position and perhaps buy all the way to this area. Okay, if we'd like, just set a very tight stop because we do have a trend line as well. Okay, so yeah, we can actually do that as well. If we'd like, just trying to see some sort of imbalance if there really is. I don't really see any. Yeah, I don't really see any. But we can have that. And then what price can do is it can make a 90% rule. This is something that I always talk about. If you don't know what it is, please head back to my previous videos. And yes, 90% rule can happen like that. All right. Once price reaches this area over here, what price can do is it can go back down following the 90% rule. All right. So that is analysis that I can have for GBUSD. That is what I can have. This also can be formed as no, not really. No. All right. Yeah, so that's what we can have on these time frames for GBUSD. Now we're gonna go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, this is what we have right over there. So there's really not much we have. All right, but yeah, this is a setup for GBUSD. What do you expect price to be doing? What we can expect price uh to do in the markets. So if you guys want to see continued updates of this, you guys can just head to the Private Wealth Trading Clients FX Instagram page. We will be posting the updates of GBUSD. You can guys can just follow us through. But that is what I have for GBUSD at the moment. Alright, so if you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell and spread the word, so people benefits as much as you're benefiting. All right, so that's why I have GUSD. We can use this as a level as well, but like I said, I do not want to crowd my charts. All right. Um, if price is not gonna buy, it can just might as well hit our stop loss, break out, retest, and we go to the downside. Or if it's gonna buy, it's gonna buy. But yeah, that's what I have for GUSD. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.